Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Anker Prime Docking Station DL7400, a premium docking solution designed for professionals, creators, and power users who want maximum connectivity, reliable performance, and modern design. Product link is in the description below. This dock is built to deliver advanced features, sleek aesthetics, and versatile usability in one package. The design is sleek and functional, featuring a compact form factor with a smart display that shows real-time power and connectivity status. Anker engineered the DL7400 to balance aesthetics with performance, making it suitable for home offices, creative studios, and professional workstations. The cooling fan ensures stable operation under heavy loads, while the durable build guarantees long-term reliability. Performance is where this dock shines. Equipped with DisplayLink technology, it supports triple 4K displays at 60 Hz, allowing users to expand their workspace with crisp visuals and smooth refresh rates. With 14 ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and audio, it covers virtually every connectivity need. The dock delivers up to 140 W of maximum power, ensuring laptops and devices stay charged while running multiple peripherals. Compatibility with both macOS and Windows makes it versatile across platforms. Usability and convenience are highlights. The DL7400 features plug-and-play setup with the latest DisplayLink driver, ensuring seamless integration. The smart display provides instant feedback on power usage and port activity, helping users manage their devices efficiently. Its versatility makes it useful across professional, creative, and everyday applications. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Anker's trusted craftsmanship, the Prime Docking Station is engineered for long-term use. The blend of durability, efficiency, and sleek aesthetics makes it a smart investment for professionals and creators alike. Use cases are broad. For professionals, it delivers reliable multi-monitor productivity. For creators, it ensures smooth workflows with high-resolution displays. For families, it simplifies device management in shared spaces. For lifestyle users, it's a stylish centerpiece for modern work setups. In summary, the Anker Prime Docking Station DL7400 combines advanced connectivity, triple display support, and versatile compatibility in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.